You're a bug.
Da 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 da.
You are a bug.
Da 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 da.
And what you want that? Okay. You got it?
Is that the boat? What is that? The
You got
farm.
it? You want the boat? You want that? Oh, okay.
So we can hit you on the head.
Okay. Okay.
Coward.
Yeah. I'm no dummy. Here. Here, Eli.
Eli bug. The steps.
Where you going, little bug?
He saw them both go upstairs.
Where are you going? Come on. Look at that.
Ooh, he's learned a new trick.
Yay! 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 You are so tired.
Yay! Look at how he's walking. I like that.
He's so tired. He's punch happy.
Yes! Yes! Oh, yes!
He's so tired.
Oh, my God.
If you stop moving, it's all over. I get it.
Look at him go. Oh, he's going to stand up under the table.
Yes. Yes.
He has a way better awareness of where his head is than you think he does.
What? Eli? Bye.
Where are we going, bud?
To the steps. The step, to the step, to the step.
Yep, that's him.
You know, at least he hasn't done something which really surprises me. Tries to eat the leaf.
No. Uh-huh. What you got?
What is that? Oops.
Okay.
Oops. Oops.
Hi.
How you doing? Just
So funny.
What you got? You got a card? I'm on your way.
Did we
Oh.
already lose it?
It's right there.
Are you
Did
recycling?
we already lose a
It's
ball?
in Spanish. Because when...
He's recycling.
And there's a, what do you call it over there? A truck that belongs, or a train that belongs on the table.